So the body is able to store up more oxygen, but we did not know how to tap into that area, the lymphatic system, the tissue. And now it has been shown lately with a completed study, and they are doing in the Netherlands and Germany. It shows that we got more oxygen storage capacity in our body. And the storage capacity of, say, the lymphatic system and tissue, we could not get into, but can become acidic. And that means that it is a storage capacity, but not ongoing. You have to clean it sometimes. But we were not able to get into that. Now, with this breathing, with these breathing exercises, derived from being in the cold, going into the depth, not only being able to resist cold, but just going into the lymphatic system and the tissue, oxygenizes every cell in the body. And then it becomes alkaline. And the acid goes out, and suddenly you are able to do so much more, because the nervous system is all about neurotransmitters, electrical signals in the body. And they travel far better if it is alkaline instead of acidic. So we lost that capacity. So we are actually with a surface capacity, and we don't know there is more space, more ability, more power. And this more power with these breathing techniques, once again, derived from being in the cold, is merciless but righteous. If you learn over there, then you see it works in the cold. Not only in the cold, also in the heat, oxygen deprived situations, or bacteria, or bacilli, or anything like that. It enables you to reconnect with the immune system. Suddenly feel the power that you are able, just by breathing and believing, to prevent from disease, to become stronger in performance, to gain confidence and trust that you are in charge of your own mood, health, strength.